Hey guys, it's Tiffany from SuperEasyMath.com. Today's math problem of the day says a juice blend calls for a half cup of apple juice, a quarter cup each of grape and cranberry juice, and an eighth of a cup of pear juice. How much juice does the recipe create altogether? Well, in order to solve a problem like this, we want to pull out all of those measurements. I personally like to write them as the fraction form, not saying a quarter cup or an eighth of a cup. I want to actually see the numbers. So that would be 1/2 a cup of apple juice. And then the next one was 1/4 cup of grape juice. We also have a 1/4 cup of cranberry juice. And last but not least, an eighth of a cup of pear juice. Well, the main question asks, how much juice does the recipe create altogether? And in order to figure that out, you're just going to add these amounts. Well, the main issue here is we're adding fractions and our denominators have different values. So we're going to have to find common denominators in order to do this. So this is 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. Well, I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 1/4 because that's kind of easy. They got the same denominator already. So that's 1/2 plus 2/4. Remember, you only add the numerators when the denominator is already the same. Now I'm going to create common denominators for all of these. I can see that 8 is going to be my least common denominator. So I'm going to keep this one the same, but the other two fractions I need to change a little bit. I'm going to say to go from 4 to 8, what do I multiply 4 by? It's by 2. So I have to do the same thing on the top. To go from 2 to the 8, what do I multiply the 2 by? It's by 4. So I do that to the top and bottom. Now I'm going to rewrite this problem except with the multiplied answer. So instead of 1/2 times 4 on top, 4 on bottom, I'm going to write 4/8. Then for the second fraction, that also ends up being 4/8. Then the last fraction remains the same because it already had a denominator of 8, so I didn't need to convert it. Now I'm going to add this, which is a lot easier because we have common denominators, and you have 9/8, which converts to 1 1/8. And remember, we're dealing with cups, so I just like to write my cup. So when you make this punch, you blend it all together, and you get a total of 1 1/8 cup of this juice mixture. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to SuperEasyMath.com where you can get access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.